In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Excel coordinates into Google Earth Pro. Now, the very first thing you have to do, of course, is format and save your Excel file. So you want to get a spreadsheet. I have one over here for the example, and it's going to look like this. So you basically have to make sure your spreadsheet has clear column headers in the first row. So, of course, you could put on something like place name, latitude, longitude, and then description as well, okay? Then you have to ensure your coordinates are in decimal degrees, which look like this over here. And then whenever you've done that, you want to go to File and you want to save it as a CSV. Now, whenever you do this, it should be looking something like this. Let me open it for you. There we go. This is a CSV. So as you can see here, I have like a CSV document where these are comma separated values, and you want to make sure that the comma is the delimiter, okay? Now, whenever you've done that, the first part is done. Then you want to open your Google Earth Pro so we can import. So you want to go to File, top left, and over here you want to click on Import. Now, from here, you want to first enable the CSV. So over here, as you can see up top, it says generic text. You can click on that. So by default, something else is going to be selected. Make sure it is either generic text, where of course CSVs are available, or this one down here, which is all data import formats, where CSV is available as well. So I'm just going to go this one over here, and I'm going to click on these examples, and I'm going to click on open. Now, whenever you do it over here, as you can see, it's going to tell you have to assign the field type. So you want to do it delimited over here. And then here you want to select comma as the delimiter. Now, whenever you've done that, you can of course preview everything down here as well. So for me, this looks good. And then you want to click on next. Then when you click on next over here, you'll be able to select that the latitude field is actually latitude and longitude is actually longitude, okay? Otherwise, this is going to get mixed up and you're not going to get the results that you actually want or need. Now over here, you want to click on next yet again. And here you can basically specify your field type. So you can just go ahead and change these. I'm going to leave it like it is, and I'm going to click on finish. Whenever you do this, it's going to ask you if you want to apply a style template to the features you ingested. I'm going to do yes over here, completely up to you, and I'm going to create a new one over here. You can customize it and hit OK if you wanna, and then you'll be able to save it. I'm just going to save it into this default folder. There we go. Whenever you do this, as you can see, the Earth globe is going to start moving, and there we go. It's now going to basically put in these examples. So if I click on this button over here, the check mark, it's actually going to show them as well, okay? So I can see up here, there we go, we have these examples over here, and these examples are going to be located directly over here. So if I move in, there we go, there's a bunch of different ones. I can click on each and every single one, and it's going to show me where that specific one is, okay? So that's essentially how to do this, how to import Excel coordinates into Google Earth Pro. Of course, you can then give them names and stuff like that by right-clicking and renaming them like this. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.